How the price elasticity of supply can vary. Supply often becomes less elastic as quantity rises due to capacity limits. Other elasticities of demand, income elasticity measures how much the quantity demanded of a good responds to a change in consumers' income. So the percentage change in quantity demanded is divided by the percentage change in income. If the good is normal, the income elasticity will be greater than zero, and if it's inferior, the income elasticity will be less than zero. Cross-price elasticity measures how much the quantity demanded of one good responds to a change in the price of another good. So the percentage change in quantity demanded of the first good is divided by the percentage change in price of the second good. If the goods are substitutes, the cross-price elasticity is greater than zero. And if the goods are complements, the cross-price elasticity is less than zero.